Hi, welcome to Design and Codes. In this video, we are going to see how we can create a backdrop text to an image. First, I have taken a image with a car and I have dropped the car without any background using tools like pen tool. You can cut it, and lasso tool and magic wand tool, etc. And I have taken the text need for speed PNG image and I have added in between these shapes with the background image and as well as the image which I have cropped, and I have added a shape with the same logo color or text color, and I will place it here, and so you can see this is the image which I have cropped and the text which is behind the cropped image. So you can see I'm hiding this and you can see it, and you can place it as your wish to look. Need for speed, yeah, need for speed, and I'm going to add the brand name and the car. This is how the poster looks like, and in the next video we are going to see how to design this same poster in Premiere Pro with animation effects. Thank you for watching.